Welcome to the Digital How-To series. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Tag Manager to implement your Google Analytics tracking code. We covered how to set up your Tag Manager and implement that in a previous video. This one is going to assume that you've already got a Tag Manager account in place. So to start off, we're going to navigate to the Tags tab on the left here, which is where we can set up basically any tracking code that we want to. But for the purpose of this video, we're focusing specifically on Google Analytics. Give the tag a name, click on tag configuration, and we're going with the Google Analytics Universal Analytics setup here. So I'm going to select that. And the basic tracking that we want to put in place here is a page view, which will cover all pages. There are some more advanced tracking implementations, but for the purpose of this video, we're focusing specifically on the page view. And then we need to send this to a specific account. So I'm going to set up a new Google Analytics settings variable, which is where you add your Google Analytics tracking ID. To find this, you can navigate to Analytics, go to your admin section, and then click on Property Settings. You'll see that it's got your tracking ID right here. You can copy that, paste it into Tag Manager, give it a name, and then hit save. So what this is now going to do is fire off page view tracking linked to that specific Google Analytics account. The last thing that we need to do is just set up our rule on where that needs to fire. We can fire this off on all pages, hit save, and then we can publish this to the website. I'm going to hit submit and publish, and that tracking code is now being pushed to the website via Google Tag Manager. And we can now go to the website and verify whether that tracking is in place and working. I'm going to use an extension for Chrome called Google Tag Assistant. You can just Google that and download it. And I'm going to hit enable and then refresh my page. And that will then tell you all the tags that are implemented on your website. And we can see here that we've got our Google Tag Manager. We've got the Google Analytics one that we've just set up, and that's all working perfectly. That's how you set up Google Tag Manager Analytics implementation.